Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video can help many people in avoiding the mother tongue influence. The trick is to just keep away these 5 sounds when you speak in English. These are sounds that we have in our mother tongue but not in English. Let us see. The first sound is D or da. It is wrong. It should be D. D. The soft da. D. The soft D. That is D or da. Da. D. Da. As in doctor. Doctor. And not doctor. Doctor. It should be doctor. Doctor. Drink. Drink. It is not drink. Drink. It should be drink. Drink. Dog. Dog. It is not dog. Dog. So it should be dog. Dog. Condition. Condition. And it is not condition. Condition. It should be condition. Condition. Dance. Dance. And it's not dance or dance. It should be dance. Dance. It's not a hard da. It should be a soft da. D. D. We have to change all our d or da sounds to d or da sounds. The second sound is ul or la. Ul or la. It should be il or la. Il or la. In our mother tongues, we may have la, la, but in English, it is la, la, as in college, college, and it is not college, college. It should be college, college. Girl, girl, and it's not girl, girl. It should be girl, girl. Ruling, ruling, and it's not ruling. No ruling, ruling. It should be ruling, ruling. Roll, roll, and it's not roll, roll. No, it should be roll, roll. Calling, calling, and it's not calling. No calling, 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 calling. The third sound is or na, na, na. It should be in or na, na. In our mother tongues, we may have na or na, but in English, it's only in or na. The thin na, the thin na, na, as in money, money, and it's not money. Money. It should be money. On, and it's not on. It should not be on. It should be on. Running, and it is not running. It should be running. Consumer, and it's not consumer. It should be consumer. Corner, and it's not corner. No. Corner. The fourth sound is t or ta. It should be soft t or ta. That is, in English we don't have the hard t or ta. It should be the soft t or ta, as in tank, and it's not tank. It should be tank. Water, and it's not water. It should be water. Tank. Talk, and it's not talk. It should be talk. Cut, and not cut. It should be cut. The fifth sound is r or ra. It should be r or ra, as in very, and it's not very. It should be very. Courage, and not courage. Courage. Marriage, and it's not marriage. It should be marriage. Carry, and it's not carry. It should be carry. Paris. It's not Paris. It should be Paris. So dear friends, share this video with your contacts because it will help them too. Thank you. Stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, comment and share. See you soon.